Yo, this is your boy Zambia YouTuber X, and I'm back with another video. Man. I'm out over here in Zambia. If you never heard of Zambia before, it's a country in the southern part of Africa. Okay, my name is Zambia YouTuber X. Ich komme aus Zambia und ich liebe es. Aber Europa is my music house. What I'm saying is that I'm a Zambian. I come from Zambia, and Europe is my music house. That's a translation. Okay, guys. I'm multilingual. I speak many languages. I've lived in Europe for a long time, so I know many languages. Okay. So, guys, I want you to see something. Okay guys, so I'm over here trading, trying to make a buck, you know what I'm saying, so that I can survive. So, let me show you what I'm trading in, and then I'll tell you what you need to do if you wanna, okay, basically what should be required to do when you're trading in this area called Kamwala in Lusaka. Okay, first of all, let me show you my products. Okay, so I've given you a snippet shot of what I'm trading in. I am selling those glasses at 40 kwacha each, the ones which are labeled 40 kwacha, which is around about $1.50. Okay, then the ones labeled 70 kwacha, it is around about $2, right? Yes, just $2 ish. A little bit, just a little bit above, but about $2. Okay, so guys, what does it really take for you to have a stand here? You have to be known by the council. That's what it takes. And you have to choose the trading location which you can trade from. Now, I know you're going to be like, hey, but you're street vending. Yes, of course, I'm street vending. And that shop over there, it's closed. That's why I'm street vending here. And even if it's opened, the owner of the shop is a very generous person. He understands that there are startup people like me who wants to make a head start in this business. You see what I mean? Yeah. So, you are required to pay some money every Wednesday. Okay? Now, you don't pay this money to any other authority apart from the council. Okay, I'll show you the receipt so that you see that it is legit and you should not be trading from illegal places. Alright, so let me show you the receipt. Alright, so that's the receipt. Okay, that is the receipt. So you are required to have this receipt every Wednesday, meaning that if you don't have this receipt, then you're not contributing to the authorities who are the council. Alright, yeah. So guys, hit me with a comment, tell me what you think. It's a lovely morning today, it's a wonderful morning. And where's my brother? Oh, he just gone somewhere. Bro, come 1 minute. Okay guys, so this is my brother, my neighbor. Okay?
Yes.
I think let's face the other side, because the sun is this side. Yes. So this is my brother from another mother.
Yes. We are brothers.
Yeah, and he's trading as well. Okay.
Yes.
Let me show you his products. Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Come, I ask you one question. So those are his products.
Yes, those
Now,
are my products.
I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
These lights, how much are they? These?
There's 60 watts. 60 watts goes at 150. Then there's 40 watts.
Okay, wait first. The one I was just showing you is
Yeah, that is 60 watts.
60 watts. And this how much?
60 watts is 150. It's negotiable.
Okay, it's 150 kwacha and negotiable.
Yes.
Okay, so if you guys want these lights, I'm going to put a phone number. Okay, I'm going to post a phone number. You can just call, then you get to this guy and you can buy these lights. Okay,
Yeah.
from this guy. Yeah. Is it? Can you even put them on a bus if somebody calls from Soweto?
Yes.
You can put them on a bus.
Yes.
Do you have some way of packaging them so that they don't break?
Yes.
Okay, so if you are someone who is far away, you know, maybe in Mongo or across Zambia, he can hook you up on the bus. You can put them on the bus.
Sure.
But you have to pay the bus fare.
Sure.
Okay? Yeah. And then what about this other one?
Other one, show them on that one which is on the magnet.
This one. So, what about that one?
That one which is on the magnet, it is the 120.
120.
120.
Okay.
That one is not negotiable.
okay. And how many watts?
That is 40 watts.
It's 40 watts. Okay, guys.
They are nice. These are rechargeable. You can stay with them for 8 hours.
Really?
Sure.
Now, what I want to understand about these lights is that do you order them from within?
Yes, we order them within.
But don't say the price. That's your secret.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So it means that if somebody calls and says they want 10 pieces, okay,
Yes.
that can be arranged.
Yeah, can be arranged. Even 20, 50 pieces.
Okay. And if you are someone who is somewhere in Lusaka, maybe you're a busy man, maybe you're somebody who never moves out of the office, all you have to do is you just call, okay? You call us, then if let's say you want 10 of them, okay? Just call us, and then if at all there's anyone or anywhere you want us to deliver them to, we deliver them to you, okay? Then you pay us once we deliver.
Sure.
Okay, guys?
Yeah.
So you don't need to come in town to come and buy these lights. All you have to do is just call the number that is in front of you, okay? And we'll deliver them to your premises. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
If you are somebody who wants to buy a lot of them and you're outside Lusaka, that can also be arranged. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So we are here to help.
Yeah, we are here to make it easier.
To make your life easier also. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Because business means wanting to solve a problem.
Serious.
You see what I mean?
Yes.
So if your problem is you want a convenient way of acquiring these goods, then we'll bring them to you.
Sure.
Convenient. Okay.
Yeah.
So my brother, I really appreciate it.
Thank you so
And
much.
how is the weather in Lusaka?
The weather is cool. Though the sun.
Okay. What do you think will be the maximum temperature today?
That one I cannot know because I've not checked the temperature today.
Do you think it will be maybe around 30 degrees or 35 degrees? Will it be very hot?
Between.
Between, eh?
Yes.
Okay. So it should be maybe between 30 and 35 degrees. We're expecting some serious hot weather today.
Yes.
Okay? Because yesterday was very hot, wasn't it?
Serious.
Yes. You know? So if you're someone who is coming from very far away, maybe you're coming from which part of the world is cold right now? the Antarctica or the Arctic and you're coming to Zambia, just be aware that you're going to find maximum temperature around about 30 and slightly above. Okay?
Yeah.
So guys, we love you. Hit us with a comment. Okay?
Thank you.
Until next time.
Thank you.
Ciao. Hey, where are your glasses?
My glasses are at their home. I left them home because I was very busy today, so I failed to carry them.
We are marketing these glasses, guys. It's only 40 kwacha each. Okay? Thank you guys. See you next time.